This video shows how to install wall ties to keep your Florence radiator secure in the upright position. Wall ties should be installed about 100mm to 150mm, that's 4 to 6 inches from the top of the radiator, and about a fifth to a quarter of the way in from either end. It's not an exact science, these proportions just tend to work well aesthetically. Florence wall ties attach to the wall through a single hole at the back. The front part is made up of 2 clamping arms which tighten onto the back column of the radiator using a simple nut and bolt. Having measured to ensure the holes are in the right positions, use appropriate fastenings to screw the ties into the wall. Slacken off the nut and bolt that hold the clamping arms together to allow the radiator column to slot in. Bring the radiator into position and tighten the clamping arms onto the back columns. Now stand back and admire your handiwork. Thanks for watching.